Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on my first car review, I guess you could say, and it is a C6 Corvette. This is just the base model, has the LS2. This one's not stock, it's cam, stall built transmission, and a full headers and whatnot. This is my stepdad's Corvette, so he's letting me do a little review on it, and just got done taking pictures of my beautiful wife with it. So we're gonna ride around, just cruising, and let y'all ride with us. And hope you like and subscribe. So here we are, cruising in the vet. I'm taking pictures with my beautiful wife. We've really been wanting a Corvette, and my stepdad, his dream is to always actually have a vet. Then he finally got one. And a funny story about him and this car is that when he first got a vet, which is this one, he was like, I'm gonna keep it stock. I don't want to do nothing to it, nothing at all. And me and Shannon was like, no, you're gonna do something to it. And he's like, no, I'm just gonna keep it stock. Then he's had it for, I don't know, maybe a year, a little over a year. Now it's stalled, built transmission, cam, headers, full bolt-ons, everything, and he loves it. He basically daily drives it. The attention you get in this car is on point. I love driving this car. I wish it was a 6-speed, but he likes his automatic. You want one, don't you?
Oh yeah.
See, she really wants one.
Purchase one. I want one so bad.
So I guess our goal for 2020 is to buy a vet or two. So I want a 6-speed. Yeah, so I want a 6-speed, but she can't drive a 6-speed yet. I still gotta teach her. Oh yeah. But we're used to 4th gen Camaros, as you can probably see on my channel. And if you follow us on Instagram and all that, then you can really tell we love 4th gens, but we've always wanted a Corvette. A friend of mine back in my hometown has a Z1100 Corvette. They've only made 4 of them. It's 900 horsepower without nitrous, and it made 1100 with nitrous, so it's just incredible. Love driving this car. So right now we're just gonna go get some cookout before we jump back off the James. Get on just a little bit. Love that sound. Yeah, James, if you see this video, it could be louder. We need a deafening, like people plugging their ears when we drive by. I'll tell you that. Our cars ride rough as hell. That's why she likes a rough ride. I know that's one comment or two. Here's we gotta go. But we're on a cookout because if anybody lives in Greenville, South Carolina, if you go to a cookout, there's always those rice burners there, and everybody thinks they're four bangers, the cool stuff. So I was like, you know what? Since we got James's car, we should just go to a cookout, break some necks there while we're there. We was up on the parking garage and at the mall, and there's a bunch of Hondas and stuff yelling at us, be like, want to race? And then when I was taking pictures of her, they like revving at us and stuff. I was like, really? You got a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder Integra Honda Civic that's just got a muffler on it versus a fully cammed out Corvette. Like, Jesus. I can tell they wasn't raised right. But if you don't own a Corvette, I would recommend getting one. It's so fun. We don't own one, not yet. But we went to the gas stations to get a drink and use the bathroom, and the amount of head turns and breaking necks and everything, and it was awesome. Then a few weeks ago, we actually picked this car up because he was having problems with it, so we towed it on my car trailer and took it to my buddy George. And the amount of necks we broke just with it sitting on the trailer was crazy. We was pulling in the Walmart, and this old lady, I don't know, I thought she was like getting mad at us because I kind of pulled her off. And she came up and knocked on the window. She's like, did you just buy that? That thing's gorgeous. And we were like, thank you. And we just drove on around. You enjoy it? But as I was saying before, the prices on these are pretty good. This is just the base model, has the LS2 in it. You can get the Z06, and I think you can still get those for between 20 and 30 grand. And they're 6 speeds, most of them. I think they are all 6 speeds, not for sure on that. But they come factory with 505 horsepower, I'm pretty sure. But if you're just wanting a nice sports car and don't want to pay 20, 30 grand, you get a base model for 20 grand or less. You know, that's what we probably will do whenever we buy one, hopefully this year. First we gotta buy a house, so then get my car done. Anything else there? Sitting over there, looking good. I know one thing we gotta do for the video though. Gotta give it a little rev. Hopefully y'all can hear that. I don't know how good the GoPro is on the inside. Well, I hope everybody liked the video. I know it's probably boring, but this is the first one for a, I guess, a little car review and riding around. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. And make sure you check out some of my other videos about making some stuff and the build on my car. So we'll see you in the next video.